Hey everybody, Brandon Osterbind here. I wanted to come back and give you an update on how our social distancing has been going. I know I came to you on Monday and I told you that our plan for this week, Monday the 23rd of March, and our plan for this week was to work remotely and to do everything that we would normally do, but do that from our homes. And I told you that fortunately, we are already set up for everyone to work from home. And that's exactly what we've been doing. We have been working from home this week. We've been working on discovery. We've been sending demand letters. We've been gathering medical records. We've been communicating with healthcare providers. We've been meeting with clients. We met with some new clients, got hired on a couple new personal injury cases this week. So all of that life as normal has continued to go on this week, even though we haven't been in our physical office. And I've been really proud of our team for working so diligently and so intentionally to make sure that there has been no gap in services that we provide. We've been taking every case just as seriously, and we've been working just as diligently as if we were working in the office. Now, uh, even though we feel like this is going well, I'll be the first to say that I miss our office. We love where we work. We love who we work with. But at the same time, moments in history like this, we have to do the socially responsible thing and make the best decisions we can with the information that is currently available to us. And the information that is currently available to us tells us that the coronavirus, COVID-19, is still a growing pandemic. In fact, I just heard a report that the United States has more confirmed cases than China did, than South Korea did, which is all very concerning. And it means to me that we need to continue doing our small part to do our best and flatten the curve and make sure that we are not spreading this virus unnecessarily. So we will continue to do the necessary things that have to be done, that might include in-person contact, but that is, at this point, very few and far in between. We can still sign documents electronically. We can scan and upload things. We can disperse cases without meeting in person, even though I much prefer the ability to explain certain legal concepts in person. I and we are fully able to do that electronically. So that's what we're going to continue to do, even though it's not ideal. It is working, and we're going to continue to do that. We're going to continue to do that until this pandemic passes. Now, when that would be, I'm not exactly sure. I saw one report that said that we're looking at the peak sometime in the middle of April. And that poses some problems for us because the courts right now are set to reopen on April 6th. Um, whether that happens, I'm not entirely sure. So, um, what I do know is that the court will reevaluate that. The Supreme Court will reevaluate probably next week, and maybe they issue another order extending this judicial emergency. Maybe they don't. So some of our cases may be even more affected by this than others. And what our commitment is to you is that we will continue to monitor what the courts are doing. We're getting emails all the time about updates, about what their thoughts are, what their plans are, and how the courts are accommodating emergency situations. So we will continue to receive those updates, apply that information to the cases that are in the queue right now. Some of the cases that are waiting for jury trials, some of the cases that have motion issues, depositions that are coming up, other things that may be scheduled. And we are continuing to monitor uh, the current situation and how it affects your particular case. But right now, we're going to continue to do the socially responsible thing, and we are going to take another week and we're going to work from home. We're going to do as much as we can to continue pushing each case toward either settlement or a verdict. One way or the other, we are going to do our best to bring some resolution to your case. Even though we may not be able to reach that verdict right now, we're going to keep pushing for that. So rest assured, your team at Osterbind Law, Team Osterbind, is working hard with you to accomplish your end result. If you have any questions about what we're doing, how we're doing it, leave a comment in the comment section below, or give us a call, send us a message, send us an email. We'd be happy to talk to you about what we're doing and how it might affect you. If you have any other concerns, reach out to us. We are in the business of providing solutions. So if you need a solution today, give us a call and let us help.